Is TapTap Send available in Saudi Arabia? If you're curious about whether TapTap Send operates in Saudi Arabia, here's the latest. As of now, TapTap Send does not officially support transactions to or from Saudi Arabia. The platform primarily focuses on African countries and a few other regions, offering affordable and fast international money transfers. For users in Saudi Arabia, there are alternative services tailored to your needs, such as Wise, Remitly, or traditional options like Western Union and MoneyGram. These platforms are widely accessible and cater to the large expatriate community in Saudi Arabia who frequently send money abroad. That said, fintech companies like TapTap Send are continually expanding their reach, so it's worth checking their website or contacting their support team for updates. Keep an eye on announcements if you're hoping for their services to launch in Saudi Arabia soon. In a nutshell, TapTap Send is not currently available in Saudi Arabia, but other reliable platforms can meet your money transfer needs. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.